Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a backpack. Let's start off by drawing a big rectangular hook shape for the bag. Then, draw a rounded rectangle with a pinched corner like so for the flap. For the front pocket, draw a smaller rounded rectangle over here. And for the side pocket, draw a straight line that goes down and curves to the left. For the backpack straps, draw a long curve that starts at the top, goes down and out to the left, and then flat to the right, connecting to the bottom of the backpack. Add that same curve slightly underneath to finish off the strap. For some added detail, draw a thin horizontal oval over here for the button, and a horizontal line across the front pocket for the zipper. And now you've got a backpack.